Hi beautiful Nono Obis, welcome back to my channel. This is Uncut with Nono Obi, where we come to talk about some controversial issues on the internet, and we come here and we dissect it, guys. Today's video, I'm very much concerned about this very popular transgender in Nigeria, not Bobrisky, but the likes of Bobrisky. Not Bobrisky, but the likes of Bobrisky. So this guy is J Boogie, that's what they call him. Right now I'm trying to get his pictures on the Instagram, but I went to his Instagram page and I found out that he has deleted all the pictures he was doing cruise and, you know, correct babe and all things. He just left the sick bed pictures and the late mom's picture. I don't know where to start talking about what to start talking about in this video. See, the thing is that, I repeat, whatever seed you sow is what you reap. In that essence, I'm not saying that right now I feel sorry for him. I feel pity for him because right now he's in the hospital, and as we currently speak, what took him to hospital was he went to do another BBL. He has done BBL before, but he went to do more. I don't know if he's trying to fit in and fight with Bobrisky, because Bobrisky said, according to him, I don't know, he did BBL. So he went to do BBL, and in the process, he cannot urinate again. So he uses catheter to urinate. We don't know what they have touched. We don't know the delicate part of his organs that they have touched. But the fact is that he cannot use his penis again to urinate. So now he uses catheter to urinate. And his money has finished. And he's asking for funds. And in online, we have two schools of thoughts. One is saying, J Boogie. One is saying, and in these two schools of thought, one is saying, J Boogie, you are reaping what you sowed. And the other is saying, yes, we all have sinned. We all have sinned and come short to God, that he deserves a second chance. Yes, I'm on the school of thought that says we all have sinned and come short to the glory of God, and that he deserves a second chance. I'm in that school of thought. Yes, we all have sinned. Okay, nobody is perfect. I just pray and I just wish he's going to have a second chance. He's going to be urinating normally as he's supposed to be urinating, and he's going to be healed, and possibly know that all those things is vanity. That is what, in fact, that is what I want in his life, for him to receive healing, and for me to see after he has been healed what has become of him. Because right now he has been seeking for donation and nobody wants to donate money for him in Nigeria. In fact, 90% of Nigeria has refused to donate money for him. So we're now asking, where are all those big men that used to sleep with him from the back? Where are those people that used to give him luxury lives that we see on his Instagram page? Or is it just boju that they do us? Where are all those people? But Risky that is flaunting, that says he's mommy of Lagos, that is flaunting money. Is this not his colleague? What has he donated? What has he donated? We should be careful. I don't know who is going to see this video. We should be careful. I am sure that this video has taught some things to whom wants to listen. Has taught some things to upcoming transgenders that wants to go further, to give themselves a figure of a woman, and know that there could be precautions. Are you ready for it? Hope you are ready for it. It's very painful, the situation he is right now, and I just hope Nigerians are going to change their mind and help him. Lindy KG, Bobrisky, everybody has put on their page, please, this is his situation. Even the last video he posted, I'm going to play it for you guys now.
It's lying. I'm not okay. I'm not fine. I'm tired of staying in the hospital. I'm tired of staying in the hospital. For how long will I continue being here? My businesses have stopped. Everything that is first because of this my compressed condition. Well, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Nobody's coming through anymore for me. What's going on? I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Every time I say this is what I have to go through.
You guys have watched the video, I've seen. He's pleading that we should please help him. You can see his situation. He's helpless. He is helpless. He's helpless. Please, just let's have mercy. If you have money, have mercy. Let him have a second chance. Nobody is perfect. Because it's a lesson for all. For all that are that wants to be like a woman. It's a lesson for you. How can you just come to this world as a woman? Your mother gave birth to you as a woman. You grow. You now say you want to be a man. Or your mother gave birth to you as a man. You grow. You now say you want to be a woman. I keep saying it. No matter what the Westerners wants to do about it, nobody, no woman, even the Westerners themselves, the whites themselves that introduced this behavior, if they turn out to hear that their son is a lesbian or a gay, they are never happy. They wear that mask of you can be who you want to be, but inside their hearts they are sobbing, because already when you have given birth to that child in the hospital, there are so many expectations on your head already. If it's a girl, you're already expecting that when she grows, she's going to give birth to grandchildren for you. You're going to see her as a woman. Yes. And if he's a man, you already have this expectation of a gentleman who is going to carry up the father's legacy. So you're not telling me that at the end of the day, the person has reached sex. In your heart, you're happy. Lie. I'm a mother. If I was not a mother, I'll say, okay, fine. Maybe I'm not a mother. I don't know what you guys are feeling. But trust me, it's a fat lie. Yes, it's a fat lie. And that is just on cap. It's a fat lie. So guys, that's all I just came to drop here on this video, because right now he's everywhere. I don't want to start bringing up his biography or anything, because it's not even important to me right now. What I know is that he's a man that wants to be a girl, and he's in his 20s or something. I don't know. Whatever the case may be. And his mother is late. And he's the first, and he has so many siblings that he's taking care of. And he needs Nigerians to come for him. Even that stupid international transgender man that used to finish Bobrisky, I not hear anything. He didn't say anything in this one, no. He just on cap, keep quiet before they were asking for money. Everybody have taken, have hidden. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, try to do so. Endeavor to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.